Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Jamaica Employers Federation, JEF, is urging Jamaicans to seek out non-traditional jobs. This as more people are losing their jobs because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Andrew Ladley picks up that story.
Corporations both large and small are shutting down operations across the island, leaving workers to fend for themselves in a time already marked by hardship. President of the Jamaica Employers Federation, David Wan, says while some businesses are closing, there are others which might be understaffed and are looking to hire.
As they say, every crisis has opportunities, and some of the things that are emerging are a lot of grocery stores, for example, are looking for persons to deliver meals and groceries to homes because that's become very popular, especially with senior citizens who don't want to be outside.
Mr. Wan explained that there may also be vacancies in the sanitation, telemarketing, and clerical health business. He says the Federation is working on a list to help vulnerable Jamaicans find gainful employment at this time.
We are doing a survey now of our members, the 300 plus members, who are MSMEs and large companies, to make an assessment of how many of them are retrenching. Are there any with shortages in certain areas? We're doing surveys now of our membership to try to come up with that so we can make some intelligent conclusions and share that with everyone, including the public.
But he notes that job seekers may have to change their perspective or lower their expectations.
Some people may have to take a position that's less than they're qualified for, but the crisis is about survival in the short term. We don't know how long this is going to last.
So far, job cuts have been recorded across various areas, including manufacturing and production. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett announced recently that over 200,000 tourism workers will be laid off during the pandemic. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
Grace Kennedy Group CEO Don Webby has been appointed chairman of the new board of Key Insurance Company. Key Insurance is the newest member of the Grace Kennedy Financial Group. Tamara Glaves-Hussey has assumed the role of General Manager of Key, with the former Managing Director Sandra Masterton demitting office. Mr. Webby advised that the new board will meet on April 7 to discuss and approve the two-year strategic plan and budget. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.43, the Canadian dollar $96.90. The pound sterling sells for $170.67, while the euro is going for $151.30. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 2,911 points today, and the junior market index gained 69 points. Among the winners, Everything Fresh, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Sterling Investment US dollar shares, Epley, and Berger Paints. On the losing side were SSL Venture Capital, Jamaica Producers Group, Barita Investments, Pulse Investments, and Jetcon Corporation. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.